Hello, my name is Sarah. I am one of the pre-sales consultants at Plan Pulse, and today I will demonstrate the new features of Board GCR 1.2. GCR is one of the pre-built solutions that enable you to run your consolidation smoothly and accurately. The application has been developed in collaboration with KPMG to ensure that it is compliant with all rules and regulations regarding consolidation. One of the new features in this version is that you will now receive the IFRS chart of accounts and the IFRS validation rules straight out of the box. This will assist you in jump-starting your consolidation implementation. Let's go to the account settings so I can show you the standard chart of accounts. As I mentioned before, you now have the option to use the IFRS chart of accounts as the group chart of accounts. The advantage of using these is that it will be easier to map these accounts to your external reporting, or if you need to file in XBRL format. Of course, you can still map your group's chart of accounts to your own reporting or disclosure accounts, which allows you to present your numbers in the format to which you are accustomed. If required, you may map your local accounts to the standard group chart of accounts or utilize your own group chart of accounts. Another new feature in version 1.2 is the reporting of other comprehensive income, commonly known as OCI. OCI includes certain gains and losses that contribute to a company's comprehensive income but are excluded from its net income and are documented separately in the financial statements. Your OCI report is configured in the same way as your cash flow statement. You can add new OCI lines, and after importing them, you can map them to a combination of accounts, reporting accounts, and movement. You can have separate mappings in case the source of the combination of account and movement is positive or negative, and if you only fill one combination, then the mapping will be used for positive and negative numbers. In the Review Mapping screen, you can see which accounts and movements are linked to which OCI line. Now, let us return to the OCI report. In this report, you can see the results of your mapping. On the left side, you will see the filters you can use in this report. And if we select the OCI Detailed tab, then you will see per OCI line the combination of account and movement. Let us move back to the home screen so I can show another great new feature. The Bridge report is one of the standard reports, but this time I would like you to show the Auto Adjustment function. The Auto Adjustment function will assist you in generating adjustment journals automatically each time you run your consolidation, and you can then assign these to a separate column in your Bridge report. Let us go to the configuration screen. In this screen, you can add new rules or view the configured rules. In this example, we have a rule to automatically adjust the startup costs. In this specific example, the rule will look for any amount posted on the account startup costs and with selected movement codes. The value of the combination of accounts and movements will be posted to a target account and target movement. We also select that we want to reverse the original posting. As you can see, in this rule, we want to book values on the same account, but with another movement code to one of the PL accounts and use the movement closings. Let us go back to the Bridge report so I can show you how the auto adjustment works for this specific rule. Here you can see the account for startup costs, which we generated an auto adjustment posting for. Now, let's use one of the great functions of Board, the Drill Anywhere, and this time we want to drill to the movements. On this screen, you can see that 127K is booked at various movements. In the auto adjustment rules, we configured the increase and decrease to be posted to a profit and loss account. Let us now go to the income statement to see the second part of the auto adjustment booking. Let me sort the table so that we can see all the bookings in the column for the elimination of the startup fees. Now, you can see that Board booked the values from the balance sheet account to a profit and loss account based on the conditions we set on the configuration screens. These auto adjustments will assist you with your monthly consolidation. You no longer need to request your local controller to enter the same adjustments into the system each month, as Board will do this automatically. When we refer back to the reports, we now also have a detailed cash flow report. This report provides a clear overview by cash flow line, highlighting the accounts and movements, which will assist you in analyzing the cash flow report. In version 1.2, Board also added some extra reports in the report section. Let us have a look. One of the standards reports is an income statement in the International Accounting Standard format, also known as IAS. Another new report is a Notes to the Accounts report. These reports will help you with your disclosure reporting. At the top of the reports, you can see the balance by movement and account. If we filter for a specific account, you will see the notes pertaining to this account at the bottom of your screen. This can be a great help if you want to generate your disclosure reports. Okay, let me show you one more thing before I let you go. A new feature in Board 14 is a report called FlexGrid, which is an excellent tool for those who wish to perform a comprehensive analysis of the consolidated figures. This new report can handle large volumes of data, and if you are familiar with the pivot table in Excel, you will find it very easy to use this report. You can add a filter to one of the columns, so let's us select the December 24th data. Adding a filter is a basic function. Let us now enter Pivot Mode. Pivot Mode enables you to customize this report to suit your needs. Let's drag the values to the Values block. We would like to see our reporting units in the columns. Let's drag them into the Column section. In the rows, we would like to view our reporting accounts and movements. Let's move the reporting accounts and movements to the Row section. As you can see, we now have a report with the reporting units in the columns and the reporting accounts and movements in the accounts. We can add additional filters, so let us add a filter to the scenario and select that we only want to view the actuals. If we select an account, we can expand the view and see the details by movement. If you wish to export this report, like any report in Board, to Excel, go to the top of the report and select the round button. Here, you will find the option to export your report to Excel. I hope this presentation gave you a good impression of the new functions available in version 1.2 of GCR. Please feel free to contact us if you wish to learn more about GCR, or if you would like to upgrade your current version of GCR to version 1.2. For now, I would like to thank you very much for watching this presentation, and I hope you have a nice day.